Sigurado ako natanggap mo na ang email ni YouTube regarding content creators outside of the US tungkol sa taxes. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na to. Ako nga pala si Allen De Leon and welcome to Allen Online TV. Dalawang bagay ang gagawin natin dito sa video tutorial na to. Ang number one is i-reduce natin yung 30% revenue earned from US via ad views natin. So, i-reduce natin yan at magagawa natin yan by claiming a tax treaty. Yes, may tax treaty po ang Philippines at ang US at gagamitin natin yan. Number 2, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-fill up ng ating tax info sa Google Adsense. Ito ay required kasi pag hindi natin ito ginawa, pag dumating ang May 31, 2021, by default at walang nakita si Google AdSense na tax info sa atin, then magde-deduct siya ng a whooping 24% total earnings worldwide. Meaning to say, lahat ng earnings natin sa mga different countries, 24% across the board. Kaya ayaw po natin mangyari yan, mag-fill up na po tayo kaagad. So if you're ready, then let's head over sa computer screen ko para magawa na natin itong dalawang bagay na to. Okay, are you ready? Come on, let's go! Here we are sa computer screen ko. So nasa Google tayo, click lang natin ang AdSense, search natin ang AdSense, and eto na siya, click lang natin ang Google AdSense. And here we are, click lang natin, mag-sign in tayo. Okay, nandito na tayo. Then, move natin ang ating cursor sa payments. Click natin ang payments. Then, pwede natin i-click dito sa manage tax info sa taas. Pwede rito sa gitna. At pwede rin dito sa may baba. So, i-click na lang natin itong nasa gitna dahil pulang-pula siya. Okay, so, click lang natin itong add tax info. Okay, add tax info. Then we are required to log in. So guys, ang gagawin natin to is mag-fill up tayo ng ating tax info sa Google AdSense natin. At dito na rin natin gagawin yung kung paano i-reduce yung 30% na tax coming from the US earnings. Okay, so ang first question is, anong klaseng account ba to? What type of accounts? So individual or non-individual? Definitely individual, then i-click natin yung next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Definitely hindi. So, no. But if you are, then kailangan i-check mo yung yes. So, click next. So, next, ang i-click po natin itong W8BEN. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. So, yan pong i-click natin. Huwag itong W8ECI. Click natin yung W8BEN. Start with W8BEN form. Yan. Click natin yung country of citizenship. Yan, Philippines. Okay, and then what else? Okay, I think dito na tayo sa next. Click lang natin yung next. Okay, so madali lang naman ito. I-fill out lang naman natin to, yung ating address. And then pag nagawa na natin yon, ang mailing address natin is the same as permanent residence. So click rin natin ito. Ayan. And then, I think dito na tayo sa baba, dito sa next. So, dito na tayo sa tax treaty. Huwag niyo pong i-click yung no kasi pag i-click niyo yan, then may impose sa'yo yung 30% withholding tax on earnings sa US. Ang i-click po natin ay itong yes kasi meron pong treaty ang Philippines at ang US. Once na i-click po natin yung country, then malalaman ni Google na merong treaty. Actually, may kopya sila niyan eh. So, i-click mo lang yung resident of country. Oops, a foreign TIN is required. Hindi ko pala nalagyan ng TIN number ko. So, back muna tayo. So, fill upan ko lang to ng TIN number ko. Guys, kinakailangan may TIN kayo ha. Okay, pag na-fill upan mo na, click mo lang yung next. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Ito yung mga special rates and condition pag nag-claim sa treaty. Yan, sa services, tignan nyo guys ha. Article 8 and paragraph 1, ang agreement sa treaty ay 0%. Wow! Salamat sa Philippine government. Sa motion picture, ang agreement is sa treaty is Article 13 and paragraph 2A. Reduce 15% instead of 30%. Na i-certify lang natin. And then dito, other copyrights. Then, Article 13 and paragraph 2A. Then, reduce to 15%. Then, of course, click lang natin yung box. And then, next. Okay, so ito yung mga document preview, mga forms. So, i-confirm lang natin and then click next. Make sure to i-download mo yung document na yan, importante. Then dito, yung signature mo lang, just type out your name. And then sa baba niyan, tinatanong lang naman, are you the person listed in the signature section? Of course. So, i-click mo lang yung yes, and then next. Okay, so dito, okay, click mo lang tong no, and then i-certify mo. Basahin nyo na lang po, pero no yan dahil tayo ay hindi nakatira sa US. And dito naman sa baba, ako po kasi nag-earn na sa YouTube. So, I am providing tax info for an existing payment profile that has previously received payment. So, click ko lang yan, certify ko lang, and then submit. So, automatically, na-receive ko sa aking Gmail yung Google Payments. Okay, so na-approve na. Your tax information has been approved. Tingnan natin. So guys, tingnan nyo to dun sa tax forms and withholding rates. Dun sa motion picture and TV, instead na 30%, 15% na lang. Then sa other copyright, instead na 30%, 15% na lang. At sa services, 0%. Kasi guys, meron tayong tax treaty with the US. Eto, pakita ko sa inyo. Going back dun sa email ni YouTube regarding taxes, then makikita nyo rito sa paragraph 4, for creators outside of the US, we will soon be updating our terms of service where your earnings from YouTube will be considered royalties from a US tax perspective. Tandaan po natin yung word na royalties. Now, meron ba tayong tax treaty sa US? Yes, meron tayo. Kaya eto, papakita ko sa inyo, may copy ako. Eto po yun, tingnan nyo po, Article 13, royalties. Then, tingnan nyo po sa Article 13 sa 2A. Yan, sa 2A sabi niya, however, the tax imposed by that other contracting state shall not exceed, in the case of the United States, 15% of the gross amount of the royalties. Tandaan niyo po yan na Articles 13 2A. Yan rin po yung nakita niyo nung nag-fill out ako. Ito yon, yung motion picture and TV, YouTube, Google Play, article and paragraph. Alam ni Google, ayan o, Article 13 and paragraph 2A. So, kino-quote niya yung treaty natin na ang withholding rate is 15%. I hope this video tutorial helped you, and if it did, then consider subscribing. Pakiclick na rin yung bell notification, pati na rin yung all, so you won't miss any of our latest video episodes. This is Alan De Leon. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now, and God bless everybody.
Thank you for watching Alan Online TV. Make sure to like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video episode.